Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enable and disable the lightning edges on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to do so, we need to open the settings. In the settings, we want to scroll down and go to notifications. And finally over here, go to notification pop-up style. If your pop-up style is set to brief, then over here you have edge lightning style. And if you tap over here, then you can select the effect. So we have basic, we have wave, bubble, eclipse, and so on and so forth. In addition to that, we can also switch the color, which can be set to auto, or set a specific color over here. And we also have advanced, where we can set up the transparency, the width, and the duration. So let's set it to long, and let's perhaps choose bubbles. Maybe hearts, it will be visible a little better, maybe. Eclipse works fine as well. So as you can see, this is how we can do this. And if you want to disable, then simply choose none for the effect. And you can press done. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!